Hello everyone, this is Mr. Sun and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I am going to share with you about some of the collocation or vocabulary about paying the bill. Okay, which means in Khmer we can say chanh loi. Okay, chăng?នៅក្នុងវីដេអូហ្នឹងយើងនឹងពិនិត្យទៅលើ clear ពាក្យមួយចំនួនដែលយើងប្រើវាដើម្បីនិយាយអំពីការចេញលុយហ្នឹងឯងចឹងតើយើងអាចនិយាយបានមិនខ្លះតើតើទៅនឹង paying the bill អូខេ paying the bill ហ្នឹងគឺសំដៅទៅលើវិក័យប័ត្រដែលយើងត្រូវចំណាយហ្នឹងឯងជាពិសេសនៅពេលដែលយើងទៅញ៉ាំអីនៅខាងក្រៅអញ្ចឹងអូខេយើងប្រកាសជាយើងទទួលបាននៅ bill ហើយអូខេអញ្ចឹង paying the bill ជាអាចនិយាយបានមិនខ្លះយើងនឹងមើលនៅក្នុងវីដេអូហ្នឹងឯងអូខេអញ្ចឹង the first one we have one example okay and the example is we say that we'll split the bill shall we okay we split the bill shall we អញ្ចឹងយើងមាន clear split the bill okay split the bill តែមានន័យថាម៉េច when we say split the bill that mean either each person pays for himself or herself or the bill will be divided equally between all the participants មានន័យថាបើសិនជាយើង split the bill គឺមានន័យថាយើងចេញខ្លួនឯងឬក៏លុយហ្នឹងត្រូវបានចែកស្មើគ្នាចំពោះអ្នកដែលបានចូលរួមហ្នឹងឯងអ្នកដែលបានចូលរួមញ៉ាំអាហារអ្វីមួយហ្នឹងឯងអូខេអញ្ចឹង split the bill ឡើយហ្នឹងគឺយើងអាចនិយាយថាចេញលុយស្មើគ្នាឬក៏ចេញលុយរៀងខ្លួនអូខេអញ្ចឹងឯងអញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលនិយាយថា we'll split the bill shall we okay we split the bill shall we យើងចេញលុយរៀងខ្លួនឬក៏យើងចេញលុយស្មើគ្នាមែនអត់អូខេ shall we ហ្នឹងគឺយើងស៊ូបញ្ជាក់អញ្ចឹងណាគឺមែនអត់ឬក៏មិនអញ្ចឹងឯងអូខេយើងអាចនិយាយចឹងបាន shall we អូខេអញ្ចឹង we split the bill shall we យើងចេញលុយស្មើគ្នាអញ្ចឹងអត់យើងចេញលុយរៀងខ្លួនអញ្ចឹងអត់អញ្ចឹងណា split the bill អូខេអញ្ចឹងនេះគឺជា clear ទី1អូខេ split the bill អូខេ that mean pay differently or pay equally okay another one we have example lunch is on me today okay lunch is on me today ចឹងយើងមាន clear is on me okay so what does it mean is on me okay we can say be on me because is to be and sometimes we not only use lunch or dinner we can use it យើងអាចនិយាយថា it's on me ក៏បានដែរ okay it's on me ឬក៏អ្វីមួយ on me មក okay lunch is on me today អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាបើសិនជា be on me គឺវាស្មើគ្នាទៅនឹង I am paying it for you okay I am paying for you that mean you don't have to pay I pay it for you អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាយើងចេញលុយហ្នឹងឯងអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើវានៅក្នុងការនិយាយធម្មតា in informal way អូខេអញ្ចឹង is on me or be on me អូខេអញ្ចឹង lunch is on me today ខ្ញុំជាអ្នកចេញលុយចំពោះអាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់ហ្នឹងឯងអូខេអញ្ចឹង lunch is on me today or it's on me today okay another one we have would you like to join us for dinner today okay would you like to join us for dinner today អញ្ចឹងយើងមាន join us okay so what does it mean join us okay join us equal come with us okay come with us មានចូលមកជាមួយយើងអូខេភាសាខ្មែរយើងអាចនិយាយថាចូលរួមអញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹង would you like to join us for dinner today មានថាតើអ្នកចង់ចូលរួមញ៉ាំអាហារពេលល្ងាចជាមួយពួកយើងអត់នៅថ្ងៃហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងណាអូខេអញ្ចឹង come with us or join us អូខេយើងអាចនិយាយថា would you like to come with us for dinner today or we simply just say would you like to join us for dinner today អូខេអញ្ចឹងបានដូចគ្នាដែរអូខេ join us okay one more we have we like you to be our guest okay we like you to be our guest and we have one phrase one collocation be our guest okay so what does it mean be our guest okay when we say be our guest that means we will pay okay we use it in formal way okay មានន័យថាយើងជាអ្នកចេញលុយដូចគ្នាដែរ okay អញ្ចឹង be our guest មានយើងចូលគេមកជាលក្ខណៈភ្ញៀវអញ្ចឹងយើងអត់ឲ្យគេចេញលុយទេគេយើងជាអ្នក pay គេជាអ្នកចេញលុយអញ្ចឹង I like you to be our guest មានខ្ញុំជួយអ្នកមកជាលក្ខណៈភ្ញៀវអូខេអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំជាអ្នកចេញលុយអញ្ចឹងឯងអូខេ be our guest Another one we have don't worry, let me get this. Okay, don't worry, let me get this. So we have one phrase, get this. Okay, get this means pay the bill. Okay, pay the bill មានចេញលុយនឹងឯង Okay, get this អាហ្នឹងបើសិនជាយើងប្រើក្នុងលក្ខណៈផ្សេងគឺវាមានន័យផ្សេងប៉ុន្តែឥឡូវនេះគឺនិយាយតាក់ទងទៅនឹងការ pay the bill មកចេញលុយអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជា let me get this ទុកឲ្យខ្ញុំជាអ្នកចេញលុយអញ្ចឹងឯងចឹងហ្នឹងគឺយើងប្រើនៅក្នុងបរិបទហ្នឹងហើយនៅក្នុងបរិបទផ្សេងគឺមានន័យផ្សេងហ្នឹងឯង Okay, let me get this. Okay, ចឹង pay the bill equal pay the bill ចឹង don't worry កុំបារម្ភអី let me get this ទុកខ្ញុំជាអ្នកចេញលុយចឹងមក Okay, another one we have one sentence. I was wine and dine every night by the new neighbor. Okay, I was wine and dine. We have one phrase, wine and dine. So what does it mean, wine and dine? Okay, when we say wine and dine, it's equal invited out to the restaurant. Yeah, អញ្ជើញទៅក្រៅទៅញ៉ាំអីនៅក្រៅអញ្ចឹងណា wine and dine. Okay, invited out to the restaurant. អញ្ចឹងដល់ពេលនិយាយថា I was wine and dined every night by the new neighbor មានខ្ញុំត្រូវបានអ្នកជិតខាងថ្មីហ្នឹងចូលទៅញ៉ាំអីនៅក្រៅរៀងរាល់យប់អញ្ចឹងមក Okay, I was wine and dined every night មានចូលទៅញ៉ាំអីនៅក្រៅជារៀងរាល់យប់ហ្នឹងឯង by the new neighbor by ដោយអ្នកជិតខាងថ្មីហ្នឹងឯង Okay, អញ្ចឹង wine and dined equal invited out to the restaurant. Okay, so these are the 6 phrases or collocation that we learned in this video. Simply we have split the bill, is on me, join us, be our guest, get this, and wine and dine. Okay, អញ្ចឹង clear ទាំង6ហ្នឹងគឺយើងប្រើចំពោះការចេញលុយ Okay, អញ្ចឹង split the bill មានចេញលុយស្មើគ្នា is on me ខ្ញុំជាអ្នកចេញលុយ join us equal come with us ចូលរួមមួយយើងមក Okay, be our guest ធ្វើជាភ្ញៀវយើងមក Okay, មានយើងជាអ្នកចេញលុយដូចគ្នា get this វាស្មើគ្នានឹង is on me ដែរឬក៏ it's on me ហើយ wine and dine មាន invited out Okay, especially to the restaurant Okay, មានចូលចេញទៅក្រៅហ្នឹងឯង Okay, អញ្ចឹងវា clear ទាំង6ហ្នឹងគឺយើងរៀននៅក្នុងវីដេអូហ្នឹងឯង Okay, and this is the end and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel in order to get more video. Okay, thanks for your watching. Bye for now.